Okay, so right now I'm gonna use a spray bottle, put some water in it, add some conditioner, and then I'm gonna shake it up so that everything can mix well together. And I'm gonna use that spray bottle and spray the roots of my hair. This is just kind of easier for me. And I'm gonna go ahead, spray, and detangle. So you might be wondering, girl, how did you get your hair into this tangled, matted mess? Well, at this particular time, I was being lazy with my hair. And first of all, let me just say that my hair is Texlaxed and it has a lot of new growth. So yes, I was saying I was being lazy with my hair, and when I'll go to wash it, I'll just wash it, co-wash it or something like that, and put it right back into a bun. And sometimes I won't even like detangle it. And this was over a course of, I would say, a couple weeks, like a month or so. So I was being really lazy with my hair, but I would wash it and just leave it just like that in a bun. And so when I'm ready right now to wash it, I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is so tangled. And that's why I'm in this mess right now. Wow, do you see this? At this point, I was so impatient and I just want to be done already. There was so much tangles in my hair and I was just combing my hair like I really didn't care. Do you see how short the crown of my hair is? Well, this is due to the fact that that part of my hair, it tends to be a little bit drier. And because of that, when I stretch my relaxer too long, it tends to break off. So I'm going to work on that. Wow, okay, I did it. I detangled my hair. That feels good. It was a struggle, but I'm happy nevertheless. All right, so next I'm gonna head on over and wash my hair in the shower. So if you want to see how I do that, you could just click the link in the description box, and so you could watch that video. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.